Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Adobe Bridge to select photos. First, open Adobe Bridge and navigate to the folder containing your images. You'll see various viewing modes. Try the film strip or thumbnails view for a quick overview. To begin selecting, simply click on an image. You can also use the Control or Command key to select multiple non-contiguous photos or Shift for a range. This initial step is crucial for efficient culling. Once you have a preliminary selection, it's time to refine it using ratings and labels. Assign star ratings from 1 to 5 by pressing the corresponding number key, with 5 stars indicating your top choices. Additionally, use color labels, like red for reject or green for keep, to categorize images visually. These tools allow you to quickly filter your collection, focusing on the best shots and streamlining your workflow significantly. For more precise selection, Adobe Bridge offers powerful advanced features. Utilize the Compare mode to view 2 or more similar images side by side, making it easier to pick the strongest one. You can also group related photos into stacks to keep your workspace tidy, especially when dealing with many bracketed shots or bursts. Furthermore, leverage keywords and other metadata to perform highly specific searches, ensuring you find exactly what you need. After making your final selections, you'll want to export them for further use. Choose your desired images and navigate to File, then Export. Here, you can specify a new destination folder, rename files with a consistent scheme, and even resize them for web or print. This seamless integration allows you to move your curated photos into other editing software or share them efficiently, completing your selection process with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.